If you have ever wondered how to trade Forex and make profits, you are definitely in the right place. So let's break it down in just 5 minutes. You are welcome to this quick guide on how to trade Forex, and in just 5 minutes, you will learn how to get started with Forex trading. So before we get started, be sure to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more trading nuggets. So let's get started right away. So the first thing you need to know is, what is Forex trading? So Forex, which is also known as foreign exchange market, is the world's largest financial market. So it is where individuals, businesses, and also institutions trade currencies. So it is the largest financial market in the world. And in this market, we trade currencies. So currencies are traded in pairs like the Euro USD, the USD JPY, and so on. So the goal is to make a profit by buying low and selling high through fluctuations of exchange rates. So the second point in this case is setting up your trading account. So to get started, you need a trading account, and this is provided by a Forex broker. So you must choose a reliable and regulated Forex broker that offers the best trading conditions and guarantees your safety. So I will leave a link to a highly recommended Forex broker that I personally use in the video description. So you can simply follow the registration process and create a trading account right away. It is super quick and easy. So the third point in this case is to download your trading software. So we have different types of trading software. These are softwares which are available for desktop users and also for mobile users. And these softwares are developed by independent companies which are used with various brokers. So they are known for their robust features and reliability. Example of such softwares are the MT4, the MetaTrader 4. We have the MT5, the MetaTrader 5, the C-Trader, the Sway Chart, and so on. So you will be able to download the supported trading software from your Forex broker account. And the fourth point is to understand technical analysis. So what is technical analysis? Technical analysis involves using charts and indicators in your trading software to predict the future price movement. So you have to look for trends, support and resistance level. You may also use tools such as the moving averages, the RSI, to tell future price movement. The fifth point is placing trades with your analysis. So with your analysis in hand, it is time to place a trade. So on your trading software, you will see options where you can buy or sell. So if you think a currency price pair will go up, you can place a buy, and if you think it will go down, you can place a sell. So to place a trade, you simply select the currency pair, and then you choose your position size, and also you set your entry and exit point. It's simple as that. So remember, Forex trading is risky, and it's also important to never trade more than you can afford to lose. So start with a demo account to practice without real money. So keep learning, stick to your trading plan. Patience and disciplines are very important. And that is how to get started with Forex trading in just 5 minutes. So you now know the basics of Forex trading. So practice and learn more from our advanced private Forex mentorship program. We have a link in the video description. So trade responsibly and happy trading. We'll see you again in the next video.